So we just had a massive storm roll through that you'll be able to see. We'll play it back through. But one of the advantages of having our Battleborn batteries is that the power went out and we didn't have a clue, because we're set up for boondocking. We have enough power to run the entire trailer, 50 amps times 2 legs. So amazingly, we didn't know that the power was out. And then I started hearing people start generators, and this is the aftermath. It's not supposed to snow in Florida, but a massive thunderstorm ran through. And you'll see it in the weather video that I'm about to post. Just pure craziness. And you can see the size of the ice that Dawn had video of that was in my hands. And one of the advantages of having an F450, 350, or 250, made after 2017, 19 I think is when they changed. They have aluminum bodies. So I think I have one ding in the truck on the hood, and it had to be a pretty big chunk of ice to do that. Cool thing is once it heats up, it should just go through the expansion and contraction and go away. And somehow the Mazda managed to not get any that I've seen so far anyway. So again, thank you, Battleborn. We love you guys. Kaitlyn and the crew, awesome. And we're proud to be powered by Battleborn. Get out there, stay out there. That's what we think. And even when we're hooked up to shore power, we have the ability to get out there and stay out there when everybody else can't cook or do anything until they turn the power back on. We're good to go. Again, if you're not using Battleborn and you have lead acid batteries or AGMs, remember, lead is dead. If you look in the description below, you can find a code that'll save you a little bit of money. And let us know how you boondock. Lead acid, AGMs, or have you moved to lithium iron? Gigantic wall of water coming in.
Dad! What is it?
Come out here and look. See the water?
Yeah.
That's a wall of water right there in a line.
Yeah, it's coming towards us.
Come on, here, I'll stand under the hood, under the front of the trailer. See what happens.
I should have grabbed my phone.
Grab the chairs.
Why?
So you can sit down. But get the water. We're really getting dripped on the floor. How fast that water's moving, and that's all water. Here it comes. You feel it?
I can
Look at the trees.
I can see
Look at
it.
the trees.
Come on, come join us. You can see it.
ice in it too. It's fine.
Dad, stick your butt on this so it doesn't go flying again.
Wait, that was weird, but that was cool.
Well, be careful because it fell and dropped the ice. Oh my god! Dad!
What?
There's kids running from the pool.
That's for my...
I don't like being up here with children.
You're fine.
You want me to go grab the thing for the next that's my boyfriend?
Oh man, somebody's got their awning out still.
We just stole his fourth spot! Oh, it's flooding.
Thanks, Eric. Look.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Oh! Here comes the house!
Look, Kaitlyn, too.
Oh, yeah.
It's cold.
I'm holding on to...
Yeah, I should have ran back to my RV.
Oh my god, we're getting bigger! Is it hard in there, babe?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna lose my feet.
You're not gonna lose your feet. Look, it looks like it snowed.
Look at the plate of wheel on the bus there.
All right, turn the chairs over and run for the door.
Yeah, I'm keeping.
Turn the chairs over so they don't fly away.
No, Dad.
And run for the door.
Look at all of this.
Ow, this ice hurts.
Well, you should have felt like how I was feeling.
Don't throw my golf clubs. Yeah, I know.
Okay, guys.
Come on, Eric. All right.
Ice.
It's not snow. It's not ice. What is it?
Hail.
All hail. What?
Loudest hailstorm we've ever been in. Even the tornado last summer in South Dakota wasn't like this. This was so loud I had to plug my ears.
Oh, I got two dings. There's one right there. One right there. One right there. Well, there's kind of a few dings in it. Hopefully it'll get hot and that'll take it out. It'll expand. Come on, hurry up, the rain's coming.
Oh, Dad, that's not even what we just went through. What we went through was worse. I'm not even bothered.
And these chunks of ice have spent quite a bit of time at altitude because they're rock solid. It's not a soft ice, it's a rock hard ice.